Go na ang baby easy namin. Ay, mainit. Ito ba hot? Yan na, kailangan siyang matutong until it turns black. Kailangan maging black siya. Yan. Kaya naman, tayo ay magbabalat na tayo. So, let's help Lolo Sunny to peel this cacao seeds. So, let's go, guys. So, let's prepare our hands to be black. Hola! Let's go. Magbalat tayo. Ano ba ito? Medyo malayo-layo kasi yun. Ayan. Mayroon pa dito. Lutuan pa ito, Papa? Marami pa pala. Ito pa, oh. There's more to cook. So, let's go and peel off this thing. So, magtali lang tayo ng buhok. Ayun. So, hello to Gustavo Martinez Ruiz. Hello, big love shout out to you. Let's go and peel this. Hola, hola. ¿Cómo estás? So, natin ilalagay. Going to put already peeled. Like this one. So, let's peel. Ay! Ala, hindi ako marunong ito. Ayan, ano siya. We got this. Parang ano. Yung iba pa, hindi na masyadong. Ayan. Nadudurog yung iba.
Gamot, tawag ko na.
Ah. Okay, peel. Hello, Gustavo. How are you? I'm doing fine. So great in here. We're enjoying the cold in the Philippines. But it's not so bad compared to what is going on now in the other part of the world. In our place in Ottawa, Canada. Oh, where is it? Paano na? Hindi, ang babalat tayo ngayon. Ayan na. Magbabalat tayo ngayon ng cacao. Mega love shoutout to our 16 live viewers. Ayan. And then we're going to grind this cacao seed to make into chocolate. O, ito na, balatan na. Gawa tayo ng, may mga nabalatan na pala, Papa, dito. Chocolate. Ayan. Ito. More. Marami pa tayong babalatan. Ayan, there's more. Mainit. Ooh! Mainit. Mainit na ano. Sige. Ay. There's more to cook in here. Ay. Oh. Hola. Oh. Mega love shout out to our 12 live viewers and 4 likers, and we have YouTube live commenter. It's Gustavo Martinez. Hola. Mabango. Smell good. Balat lang tayo ngayon. Ayan. Nahalo na kasi yung mainit dito sa hindi. So, isa-isahin natin. Balat tayo ngayon. Ayan na. Wow. Kasi magdadala kami nitong trambrilla. We can put it in a chocolate rice. Yeah, in making chocolate rice, we need this. We can also have this chocolate drink. Chocolate. Anong tawag nga, Papa, doon sa pig ano kani? Itong chocolating pig. Ano, may apod ba gayan?
Tabrilla.
Bako pa itong pig chocolate. Chocolate lang. So, it's called chocolate. Chocolate drink. From this cacao seed. May bunga pa dyan papaning cacao. Tayo-tayo ka ang cacao.
Kita. Tukad
Na. Peeling the cacao seeds. So, matrabaho lang ito. Mega love shoutout to all our live